Feel free to hold hands, you are about to get married. I am delighted to welcome you all here today as we join together to witness and celebrate the marriage of Rebecca and Stuart. Now, every love story is as unique and as wonderful as the couple who live it. And for Rebecca and Stuart, that story began on a night out. It was clear there was a real spark between these two. So Stuart asked Rebecca out for a drink, and she said no.
3 years ago, Rebecca came into our life, and the impact was fairly profound, actually. She is not a girl that you don't notice. She's not a girl that kind of hides in the background. And the impact on Stuart was immense. He became happier. He was looking forward to the day at work more. And as life went on, I said to Michelle, Rebecca's like a force of nature here. She was just so charming, so brilliant. And we have just felt that since you've joined our family, we've just been so pleased to have you in our family.
Now on to the groom. Tall, quiet, lovely. Total opposite to Rebecca, who's short, loud, lovely. COVID hit when Rebecca decided to come home, and Rebecca moved in with Stuart and his brother James.
It was quite nice because I got to live on my own and somebody paid half the bills. I have to say, Stuart he's not a man who goes out often. So statistically, I think he's actually the best man with the ladies out of any of us. Because he's probably been out 5 times in his life and he's already met his wife on the 5th one. And the best still last, Rebecca. Where do I even begin to express how much I love you and how happy it makes me to call you my wife after years. You look absolutely beautiful today, and I've never felt luckier than seeing you walk down that aisle. So I'd like to ask you all to stand and raise a toast to the love of my life, my new wife, Rebecca.